Hello, this is FoodMangga and now we will cook spicy mega sardines paella. We will make this dish because majority of us decided to stock some food because of COVID-19 and we know that sardines was one of the canned goods that you bought. We will now make our sardines more appetizing in an easy way. First, we need mega sardines, vegetable oil, rice, water, garlic, onion, banana ketchup, sugar, egg, long chilies, ham, and pepper. The exact amount of each ingredients is in the description box. In a small container, separate the sauce of the sardines. We will use 3/4 of it in our dish. Aside from mega sardines, you can also use any brand as long as it's tomato based, like Ligo, Master, or 555 sardines. Heat a pan and put some vegetable oil. We will saute our onion and garlic. Now we will add our mega sardine sauce, banana ketchup, and water. Mix it well. Add half tablespoon of sugar, and pepper to taste. Once it's boiling, we will add our rice. Stir it, and then we will lower the heat. Make sure that the rice is even in the pan. Cover and wait for 5 minutes. Now we will add our long chilies and we will also check the rice. At this moment, the rice should be half cooked only. Create a little hole and add our egg. Add some ham that is cut into small pieces. The ham is actually optional. Aside from this, you can also add raisin, green peas, potato, bell pepper, or carrots. Cover and wait for 5 minutes. Again, let us check the rice. Mine needs a little more of cooking, so I add some water. We will simmer this with the sardines for the last 5 to 10 minutes. The video was cut short because my battery just died. Now our mega sardines paella is done. Some people like their paella with burnt bottom. You can turn the heat on high for 20 seconds before serving. A new recipe for our canned goods that will help you go to these days now that we are quarantined. I hope that you like it. Stay safe, everyone. For any suggestion for the next dish, comment down below. Taste the food that you love, eat well. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.